Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the SteelSeries wired gaming headset, and this one is compatible with the PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. So this one, it says feels and sound more expensive than it is. And it has a detachable microphone, on headset control, steel reinforced headband. And this one is the ARCTIS one. Let me give you guys a 360 of the box. So this was the last one that was on the display. So it includes cables, attached 4-pole 3.5 millimeter jack. Also come with the dual 3.5 millimeter extension for PC. So this one is like a white cable. And this is how you connection setup. Plug in your headphone either to your notebook, PC, mobile, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and then or you need to use the white cable or adapter or the splitter for the desktop PC. So this is the specs right here. The normal impedance is 32 ohms. Frequency is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Total harmonic distortion less than 3%. Greater than 3%. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 100 decibels, 1 kilohertz. And it has a detachable microphone. Bidirectional noise cancellation, 100 to 10,000 hertz, and sensitivity is -3 decibel. And this is what it look like. So on the review on this one, it's this one probably the best compared to all other headsets around the $49.99 price range. So this one is made in China. Here's a barcode. So let's go ahead and unbox this. For glory. Scan here for products and setup information. In case you guys need the QR code right there, you can go visit the website or scan it on here and pause the video. So here's the detachable flexible microphone. It has a 4-pole with the 3 rings. Those are black rings. It's a silica gel. They are glued on there so the kids doesn't mess with it. And here are the 3.5 millimeter jack with the Y adapter right here. See how long is this thing? So normally the pink one is for your microphone, and then the green one is for the headset. So as you can see, it is a Y connector, and it is pretty long. And this is a 3.5 millimeter jack here. If you wanted to connect this to your PC or desktop, and then this is pretty nice, and then the padding on this is very soft, and you got the 3M texture or pattern design in there. Cool. And this allows you to rotate. There's a padding right here. It's pretty soft too. And this is where you connect your boom mic. Oh, it's this way. Make sure the flat end is facing the top, so it does not allow you to rotate. The microphone is right there. And right here is the volume adjustment right here, plus or minus. And then the microphone, or if you press up, is to mute. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.